Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be tying something very conventional. Yes, so this is a 2.5 yard. As you can see, it's the Rawsilk, the original Rawsilk. Any other Rawsilk is a counterfeit. This is the Rawsilk they call Rawsilk. Yes. So we have the Indian type and we also have the Dubai type. So this is the Indian type. Sorry, this is the Dubai type. The Indian type always comes as a two-faced something. So I folded my Rawsilk in two to make it thicker because it's gonna be too big if I tie it the way it is, like the length, the width of the Rawsilk itself. So as you can see, I placed it on her head, equal parts. Her head is in the middle of I placed the middle part of the turban on her head, and then I covered part of her ears, one part of her ears, like the right part of her ears, and then the other handle I flipped it to the back, to the front, and then covered the other one so it will look like a V in front of the head. And then I brought the two handles up to the top of her head, and then I twisted it. This is where the trick starts. I twisted it, guys. So no matter how you tie your Rawsilk, just be creative on your own. So as you can see, after twisting this, I don't want the twist to lose. The knot, sorry, I twisted it making a knot, so I don't want the knots to lose. I'm going to be using a pin to secure that. So after securing it with a pin, I'm going to be using the handle now. Let me adjust my camera so that you guys will see it better. So this is it. As you can see, we have two handles, and I'm going to be holding the one behind first because I want the ruffles to be two steps, and it should look like one and two. It should look like two steps, everyone on its own individually. So I'm going to be flipping. I'm going to be folding. I'm going to be making ruffles for the back one like this. I'll just hold this one, secure it with a pin roughly before I get a hang of the first one. This is not the way I'm going to secure the pin yet. I'm just holding onto it first to see how it's going to come out, to see how big I want it to look. If I want it to look smaller, I will press it down more, and if I want it to look bigger, I'm going to make it look bigger. So this is the back one, and I'll check and see if the flip is okay. So as you can see, this part of it is very okay. As you can see, I love how it came out. I'm going to be using this first one to create another one on its own. I can easily just move it to another side, where I said let me make it look the same on the same side, which is going to be first step and then the second step. Look at how it is. Each and every ruffle is standing individually on its own. So we have two ruffle steps, and this is the first one. Then the first one I did was the second one. Let me not confuse you guys. So let me allow you guys to watch this tutorial very well so that you guys will understand it properly. Please, if you do enjoy my videos, please don't forget to drop a comment, like, and share these videos to somebody who is in need. We have so many people trying to learn turban today, and you know the way I tie my turban, I don't hide anything from anybody. I don't skip the videos, I don't fast forward them. I want you guys to watch it from the beginning to the end. So if you know you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.